Route 66, here we come.
Flagstaff to Holbrook, let's go!
Let's go! What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup. We have made it to the Flagstaff Visitor Center.
And guess what we got?
Oh, bam! Ooh, Route 66 passport. Oh, check this out. First one's already stamped for Flagstaff. Bam! We're gonna try to get a couple more
On our
Route 66 trip. Yeah.
Oh, let's go! What's cool in Flagstaff, in downtown area, they have a walking tour that you can take. But we're not going to take it because it's freaking cold and we want to get back in the rig. So let's go.
Oh, shit!
Oh, wow.
Got the corner a little too much there, buddy. Almost took out their outside patio.
Wow.
For my fellow RVers, there are RV parking, $1 an hour, right near the visitor center. Come check out Flagstaff.
I've been waiting for some roadside attractions, and they got some pretty old school ones on this road way back from Route 66 days when it was bumping and going. A lot of them are closed down now, but unfortunately, Twin Arrows is only single arrow now. I guess they broke up. There you go.
Guys go stand on the corner in Winslow, Arizona.
All right, we got our stamp, and now we're gonna go on this nice, cool walking path.
Yeah.
That's gonna lead us to the corner.
Where we stand on the corner.
Oh, yeah.
In Winslow, Arizona.
Yeah, that.
Does somebody see my luggage? Why the graffiti? Why the graffiti? Why?
I swear, so many cool things just on this walk itself.
Standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona, such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. Cochinos. Close the window. We just put our sticker on the flatbed Ford right next to our friends, the Brazen
Brazen
Brits. I'm gonna start taking pictures. You just start giving me poses, okay? Hit me. Oh, yeah, look at that. Hit me another one. Go. Go. Yeah, make it mean. Pretend they don't like it. Now pretend they like it. Yeah, there you go. Give me angry. Give me sexy. Give me coy. Oh, so nice. Oh, damn. I've been videotaping this whole time. Sorry about that.
Now pose.
I am.
New pose. New pose. Next. Come on, bring the diva out. Come on, bring her out.
I'm out. Feel free.
Free. Woo!
I burned myself.
You're so stupid.
Welcome to the world's smallest church. And the best thing about this church is dedicated to all who have served this country. May they rest in peace. Thank you, boys. There is a lot of sins in this church. I'm out of here.
Wow. So much of this hotel. Wow, it's gorgeous. Are you supposed to sit there? Are you supposed to sit there? All right, let's go back. I think you can actually stay here.
We are at the beautiful La Posada Hotel.
Back in the heyday, this used to be the it place to come to stay. I believe you can still stay here. You can take self-guided tours. The grounds are beautiful, and you can actually take an Amtrak from this location.
Come by, check it out. It's beautiful. Come spend some time here in Winslow.
Now, I think it's time to move on. Time to hit
Route 66. We out. If you guys ever make it to Holbrook, you could stay right here at the Wigwam Motel. This motel inspired the Cone Motel in the Cars movie.
Do you want to stay at the Cozy Cone or what?
If you've seen Cars, you know what I'm talking about. If you want to see inside these wigwams, go to the Brazen Brits. They did a Route 66 trip on motorcycles. Crazy. And they stayed here. So go check it out. Hey, it's Mater. Like Mater without the
Ooh, look, petrified wood. That feels crazy.
Check all that out. Co-Mater Grandpappy.
Yeah. If you come here, don't forget to tag us and Brazen Brits.
Yay.
It is cold. Let's go. Oh, he kind of locked it. He didn't lock it.
I unlocked it. What are you
Oh
talking
my
about?
gosh, I tried to. It got super windy, guys. So we had to stop and hunker down for the night.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. 30 miles per hour gusts?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah.
We're not
Too
trying
scary.
to get into that.
Yeah, too scary. This is where we're at. We're at a little parking lot we found on Campendium.
Yep.
We're gonna go on a date on Pizza Hut, get some breadsticks and some cinnamon sticks, because those are vegan. Whew. Well, we made it through the night.
Yeah, we did.
The storm is not through. It is just stopped just for a moment. So we need to get the heck out of Dodge. So all the little places that we were gonna see in Holbrook have to You know, that's RV life. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Gotta roll with the punches.
Until next episode, feel the free.
Love you guys.